In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete remove Insightly CRM contact. If you need to clean up your CRM or remove outdated records, I'll walk you through two clear methods: deleting a single contact and deleting multiple contacts at once. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Insightly account with permission to delete records, since some organizations restrict this action to admins or specific roles. Start by opening Insightly and heading to the home page. From there, go to the contacts area. This takes you to your full list of contacts where you can search, sort, and filter to quickly find the person or people you want to remove. To delete one contact, locate the contact in the list and open the options menu by clicking the three dots to the far right of that row. In the menu that appears, choose Delete this contact. Insightly will ask you to confirm, giving you a chance to double check that you've selected the correct record. Click Delete this contact again to confirm. The contact is now removed from your list. If you need to delete multiple contacts in one go, you can do that directly from the same list view. Click the checkbox next to each contact you want to remove. You can select 2, 10, or an entire page, depending on your cleanup task. Once your selections are made, look for the trash icon at the top of the list and click it. Insightly will show a confirmation dialog summarizing that these contacts are about to be deleted. Click Delete Contacts to complete the action, and the selected records will be removed together. A few quick tips to avoid mistakes. Confirmations are final, so take a moment to verify names and email domains before you proceed. If you're working with a large list, filters and search can help isolate precisely the records you intend to delete. Also remember that deleting a contact can affect related items like activities or past opportunities that reference that person. Those records may remain, but the link to the deleted contact will be gone. When in doubt, follow your team's data retention policy and check your role permissions if you don't see the delete options. And that's it. Open Insightly, go to Contacts, use the three-dot menu to delete a single contact with confirmation, or select multiple checkboxes, hit the trash icon, and confirm delete contacts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Insightly contact list accurate and up to date.